Earthquake damage. Portland residents blame frequent tremors for destruction of roadway. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on our viewers on TVJ International and those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Also this evening, Prime Minister says concrete being used in smaller projects as response to bad roads. And Police Federation warns officers against abusing overtime payment system. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.